welcome back everybody. Okay, the next thing on our list is break up, and that literally means we're going to break the number up into tens and units. Now yesterday we did place value, so we said how many people live in the tens house, how many people live in the units house, but today we're going to write the actual number value of those numbers. So normally in my class I use, I don't know if you can see it, but Unifix cubes, and unfortunately those are at school, but one pillar is 10 blocks, and then I have loose blocks for my units. Okay, so I'm going to be using, I made these myself quickly this morning, but you can maybe use things that you have at home. So a peg would be the value of 10, and a bean would be the value of a unit. Okay, so on my board I have 4 numbers, and you'll see that I've got spread cards on the board. So I'm just going to show you how we are going to break up the numbers. So the first number is 23. So I'm first going to build my number 23. It's a 10 and a 20, and then I've got 3 units. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there we go. I have 10, 20, and then 1, 2, 3 units. Okay, so what I do with my spread card is I break up the number. I literally break it up, and I see that 23 is made up of a 20 and a 3, and I can see it with my concrete objects. And it's very important to use the concrete objects, moms and dads, because it helps the children grasp and feel and touch the actual concept of 20 tens and then 3 units. Okay, so the next number that I've got here is 46. So I'm going to now use my concrete objects to make 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then I've got 6 units. Okay, 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope that you can see this and it's not reflecting. But 46 is 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Okay, and with my spread card I'm just going to break up the number 46 into its tens and its units. Okay, so now I can see that 40 is made up of a 40 and a 6. So 46 is made up of a 40 and a 6. And you will also see that it is 4 tens and 6 units. And when I say the number 46, I can hear that it is made up of a 40 and a 6. Alright, let's do the next one, 37. So here I've already got on my board 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 units. Okay, and when I break up the number 37, it is made up of a 30 and a 7. And when I say the word 37, I can hear that it is made up of a 30 and a 7. Okay, the last one that I'm going to do is 68. Alright, so I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. Okay, so if you're using pegs and beans, you would have 8 pegs or 6 pegs and 8 beans. Okay, I'm now going to spread my card. So 68 is made up of a 60 and an 8. Okay, and when I say the word 68, I can hear 60 and 8. So 68 is made up of a 60 and an 8. And that's the easiest way to do it if you don't have any concrete objects. You say the word and then it should break the number up for you. So 23 is made up of a 20 and a 3. 46 is made up of a 40 and a 6. 37 is made up of a 30 and a 7. And the last one, 68, is made up of a 60 and an 8. Now, boys and girls, you have 4 more in your books that I'd like you to do on your own. Please try and do it. And if you can, use the concrete objects like we do in class with the blocks. And this will just help you. I hope you have a fantastic day further. Teacher loves you lots. Please listen to your mums and dads.